In the images just coming in, you can see massive protests which are taking place outside Parliament ahead of the controversial bill to create Telangana by dividing Andhra Pradesh will be taken up in Lok Sabha today. And as you can see, there's also huge amounts of security outside and in fact inside Parliament, unprecedented security after a suicide threat by an MP, and also of course fears of exactly this kind of protest taking place. These are anti-Telangana protesters who've all flocked outside Parliament to protest the Telangana bill. Now, of course, the government has made it very clear that they want to push through the Telangana plan. Meanwhile, we've seen a lot of action over the last few days as far as Telangana is concerned. We've seen protests, both pro and anti-Telangana, which have been taking place inside Parliament on a daily basis, disrupting work completely. We've seen protests on the street. We've seen clashes between Telangana and Seemandhra MPs. We've seen the protests literally go to every stage on the streets. And now, as you can see, once again, with the Telangana bill due in the Lok Sabha today, it's happened once again. Now, what we've also seen today as that declaration happened is 4 MLAs who've already handed in their resignations to the Congress. Yesterday, we saw a lot of consensus building which was taking place. On Tuesday, we saw the Congress core group meet and take a decision on it after the cabinet gave its nod to the Telangana bill. They decided to push it through on Thursday. Yesterday, we saw the Prime Minister meeting with BJP leaders to talk about what their stand was as far as the Telangana bill is concerned. The BJP reiterating that they supported the Telangana bill. They did not, however, support the eviction of anyone who opposed it from the Parliament. And meanwhile, these scenes continue to be seen on the streets. Let's go over to Sunetra Chaudhary, who joins us now for more on the story. Sunetra, scenes of absolute and utter chaos, and we can only expect this to be the beginning.
No, Kajuri, in fact, you'll see here police people just taking protesters away. That green bus that you see over there, it's been brought here for all the policemen to take these protesters away. So protesters are not letting any of the police are not letting any of the protesters stay over here. Obviously, these protesters aren't allowed inside or near Parliament House, section 144 here. So you see a lot of the protesters who would have come here because they know there's a lot of media gathering here to get publicity for their protests, pro and anti-Telangana. So they're all gathered here. They were protesting here, and now you see, as you can see over here as well, if the camera can pan and show you how all of them individually are being carried towards this bus. In fact, one of the protesters fainted just a short while ago. And you can see over here all these protesters being carried away. Shibli, if the camera can just come a little forward and just show you exactly the kind of little bit of chaos happening over here. That bus that you see, that DTC bus, that's just been brought over here to take all the protesters to Parliament Street Station. And some of the protesters were speaking to us, the media over here, just a short while ago, but they're now being stopped from speaking to us. There's a lot of police presence over here. They've come down to Vijay Chowk to carry these protesters away. They're not being allowed to be interviewed by the media either. If you look the other side, some of these protesters, we're just going to show you some of the kind of chaos that is happening over here. As you can see, the police carrying away individual protesters over here and making sure that they don't create chaos over here in Vijay Chowk. This, of course, is the most VIP area, sensitive to security, and the police want to make sure. In fact, during a lot of the protests just a short while ago, you had some protesters fainting. So police didn't want it to be become another December 16th where you had a lot of clash between the police and the protesters. So they're quick to get over here. If you see the kind of running that's happening between a lot of the police over here, they've all landed up over here to make sure that none of the protesters gather, Kajuri.
Right. Now, of course, Sunetra, you were talking about the kind of security which is present here. We have been reiterating today, Parliament and around Parliament, there has been unprecedented security.
That's right. Just see over here, these people, if some of these police officers are recognized because they were there at the Kejriwal protest as well, and now they're involved, they're just carrying away people. They've got a whole bus there to carry the protesters away, and that's what they're doing now as well. Just carrying away. In fact, some of the The police are not even, being very careful with the media as well, because some people, the reporters and everyone, are being stopped to even interviewing these protesters. Because it is right outside Parliament at Vijay Chowk, so it is a sensitive area, but police wanting to curb the kind of attention and the kind of momentum that's building up over here. So you see all the barricades. Behind the barricades is the bus, where a lot of the protesters have been put into the bus, and now they're going to be carried to the Parliament Street police station. So police just stepping up security to make sure that nothing untoward happens.